If you are an apartment renter and need an effective water filter without any complicated installation, then this video is for you. We've researched and shortlisted the top 3 apartment-friendly water filters based on contaminant removal, ease of installation, and usage so you get the best value for your money. As always, you'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Our number 1 choice is the Aquatru Carafe. It is an elegant, compact countertop water filter with a glass carafe, perfect for apartments. While the lid and some parts are plastic, the main container is glass, reducing plastic exposure. It has a 4-stage filtration process, which is IAPMO certified against NSF 42 for chlorine and chloramine, NSF 53 for VOCs and PFAS, NSF 58 for fluoride, and NSF 401 for microplastics. Independent lab tests confirm its effectiveness against uranium and chloroform. Setting up this countertop filter is plug and play. No plumbing or drilling is required. You need to prime it 4 times before you can use it. Filtration is efficient, taking about 16 minutes and 28 seconds to process 8 cups of water. Maintenance is minimal, with filter change indicators to your rescue. The pre-filter and activated carbon filter need changing every 300 gallons, while the reverse osmosis membrane lasts up to 600 gallons. The VOC filter also lasts for 300 gallons. On average, it costs around $75 a year to replace filters, which is budget-friendly. Of course, the Aquatru Carafe isn't without cons. For every 4 gallons of purified water, it wastes 1 gallon of tap water. It needs frequent refilling as the water reservoir isn't large for medium households. It has some plastic parts like in the lid despite the glass carafe. However, it offers a 1-year limited warranty, extendable to 3 years, which covers manufactured defects. Overall, the Aquatru Carafe is a great choice for most city water contaminants with affordable replacements. Our number 2 choice is the PUR faucet filter. It is affordable, you can install it on your faucet, and it delivers contaminant removal performance similar to more complex systems. Its filtration process is certified by NSF 42 for chlorine, NSF 53 for lead and VOCs, and NSF 401 for microplastics. But it doesn't remove fluoride. Installation is quick and tool-free. It easily attaches to most standard faucets. The filter takes about 15 to 20 seconds to fill a large glass. However, as the filter reaches the end of its 2 to 3 month lifespan, the flow rate may decrease. Maintenance is simple, but the filter needs replacement 3 to 4 times per year. Swapping it out is quick and effortless, with a built-in filter change light providing reminders. With an annual replacement cost of around $50, it remains affordable. However, there are some drawbacks. Users have reported a slight decrease in water pressure. While the unit's chrome finish gives it a stainless steel appearance, it is actually plastic underneath, which may disappoint users. Unlike the filters, the LED filter indicator are non-replaceable. So, once the battery is exhausted, you have no choice but to set filter reminders manually. However, the faucet comes with a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Overall, the PUR faucet filter is reliable with good contaminant removal and easy maintenance. Our number 3 choice is the clearly filtered water pitcher. It offers higher contaminant removal than most standard pitchers. It is NSF 42 certified for reducing chlorine and NSF 53 certified for removing PFAS. Independent tests have also shown it eliminates uranium, strontium, and disinfection byproducts. The design is sleek and ergonomic, with a BPA-free plastic body and a sturdy handle. While functional, some users may find it slightly bulky compared to other pitchers. The clearly filtered water pitcher is easy to set up. Prime the filter 4 times, insert it in the pitcher, and it's ready to use. In terms of filtration rate, it takes about 13 minutes and 12 seconds to filter 0.5 gallons of water. While this is slower than some basic pitchers, it ensures thorough filtration. For maintenance, the filter cartridges need to be replaced every 4 months or around 100 gallons, depending on water quality and usage. But its replacement filters cost around $140 annually, which is the most expensive of this list. Even then, the filter struggles to remove nitrates and sulfates effectively. Additionally, the pitcher has issues with the lid not staying secure, but it offers a 24-month warranty. Overall, despite its plastic design, The clearly filtered water pitcher is a great choice for those seeking a no-install solution with decent contaminant removal. So there you have it, the 3 best apartment water filters that work great without the fuss of installation. But if you love distillers, check out this video for 3 best options in 2025.